Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.